Hi, Fiona Challis here, MSP Sales Expert. So there are 5 things that winning MSPs are already starting to implement in their business even today in order for them to achieve their Q1 quota. Number 1, they are planning ahead in advance. How are they going to achieve the revenue target? But they're going down to a detailed level, looking at how many leads do they need, how many appointments do they need, how many sales meetings do they need to run to win the number of new customers that they need. So they're really getting into that detailed strategy for how they're going to achieve their Q1 quota. Number 2 is they are selecting a profitable battleground, a vertical or a niche that they have expertise in that they can really target in Q1. And then they're really working on mastering the messaging to that market, looking at having more business conversations, not technology conversations, because that's where MSPs are winning and winning consistently today. Number 3, they are really working on how do we articulate the value of our MSP business, ensuring that in all of their messaging and all of their meetings, they're answering the 3 critical questions that customers are going to be asking. Number 1, why should we work with you? Number 2, why should we pay you more than any other MSP? Number 3, how do you differentiate? The 4th thing they're doing is they are mastering how do we run effective discovery calls? How do we qualify prospects to make sure that actually they are the right customer for us and we are the right MSP for them? And how do we qualify that those customers are ready to invest in our services in a suitable time frame? So really mastering how to run effective discovery calls. And the last thing they're doing is they're looking at objection handling. How can we be better prepared? How can we be confident in answering the most common sales objections that we get? They're looking at the top 4 and then they're making sure all of their people can answer those objections with confidence. So these are the top 5 strategies that winning MSPs are already working on today. And myself and the Channel Futures team would like to help you to master these strategies. So we have put together a series of training videos, 5 training modules that are going to be available on demand for you so that you can complete them anytime you want. And they're all small bite-sized chunks that can be completed in a coffee break or a lunch break. So somewhere around this video, there's going to be a link for you to register. So come and join us in the training. Join myself, join the team at Channel Futures. Let us to help you now to start to crush that Q1 number and get next year off to a flying start. I can't wait to see you in the training.